Hi and welcome to today's 1 minute make. We are putting together a fall raccoon, a cute little woodland animal with some fall leaves around it. This is a layered SVG. Right now I'm just gluing all the layers together, making sure all the edges are put down right. We're going to be putting on the tail. I tried to make this in as many or as least amount of pieces as possible, so it's not too hard to put together. It's actually really simple. So we're going to go with the eyes. The eyes are in 3 different layers. You can do only 2 layers if you want. I like the extra layer because it gives it some dimension. Right here I just didn't like the way it turned out, so I took them back off and put them back on. Adding the little nose, making sure all the edges are down. Oh, there go the eyes again. There we go. Now I'm just adding some fall leaves around it. This would be cute on a card, on a scrapbook. So thanks for watching, guys. This was a fun one to design. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for some more 1 minute makes.